Hello everybody, let's quickly jump into what is currently happening in the tech world and cover the entire spectrum around layoffs, new hirings, what are the different projects that are currently going on, and the updates around AI. So let's start with the first and the positive point, which is around global capability centers. Global capability centers are nothing but you can imagine them to be the outsourcing centers for big multinational corporations. For a company like AstraZeneca, they have offices based in US. Now they are setting up their own office in India so that they can get work done from India. Something very similar across the big companies that are based out of US, UK and other Western countries. Now, what is happening in this space? More than 800 plus companies are expected to come to India. 800 big companies are expected to come to India and set up their global capability centers in the next few years. And the existing global capability centers, the big guys, are also looking to expand into tier 2, tier 3 cities. Right now, majority of these outsourcing centers for the big companies are based out of Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, etc. But now they are also looking at Jaipur, Bhubaneswar, Indore, etc. One, obviously because the costs are lower. Number two, also there is a lot of untapped talent in these markets. The second point with respect to GCCs is these companies, when they set up, they will hire close to 33% of their overall office strength in the first 1 year because they have to start. Now, according to GCC specialists, a few large companies have set up their offices in India since July 2024, and now over the next 6 months, they will be recruiting a lot of people. So a quick request, you have to get to LinkedIn, you have to see which are some of the largest multinational companies which have come to India recently within your sector, within your industry, within your functional expertise area, and start seeing what are they recruiting for and if there are any opportunities there. So don't miss out on this opportunity. And the third one is these GCCs, when they hire people from different experience spectrums. It's not just they are hiring freshers or they are hiring leadership. They are hiring people with different experience buckets because they are literally setting up their office. So please do not ignore this. Go look out what are the opportunities that are available with global capability centers because they also have a great work culture to start. Now, before we move into the next section of the video, a quick shout out to our sponsors for today's video, Odin School. Odin School, in collaboration with E&ICT Academy, IIT Guwahati, has launched DevOps and Cloud Computing course. It's a 6-month instructor-led course where you will be learning from the basics of cloud computing to the advanced AWS core services. And by the end of the course, you will be able to build AI workflows with AWS services. You will end the 6-month course with a capstone project combining Linux, AWS core services and AI solutions. Once you complete the course, you will get the alumni status from E&ICT Academy IIT Guwahati, and along with the alumni status, you will also get a course completion certificate. Not just that, you are also eligible for the 2-day immersive program at IIT Guwahati campus. The course is taught by the mentors from the academic world and also experts from the industry. Once you complete the 6-month program, you will be eligible to apply for the 500 plus hiring partners at Odin School, and also the holistic support will continue for 2 years. You can specifically target roles such as site reliability engineer, DevOps engineer, and cloud solutions engineer. The course fee is 1,20,000 plus GST. You have options to pay through EMI and scholarships are also available. A highly recommended program. So please go ahead and check out the program through the link in the description box. Now, coming back into the video, the next section is about what's happening in the AI world. A lot is happening, honestly, and companies are already playing catch up. Microsoft, for example, has their entire Copilot studio, and hence Amazon is now coming up with their own products as well. Amazon's AI SageMaker had significant amount of updates in the last 1 week. Now, what is SageMaker? What is Bedrock? These are the AI products that are developed, or the AI platforms rather, developed by Amazon. For example, if we take SageMaker is nothing but a platform where an organization can connect all the databases and they can do analytics on top of that. Now, why should you need to know this? Because, very simple, Amazon is providing the building blocks for companies to do it. But somebody should come and put cement in between these building blocks, which means somebody has to actually put these things together. People like you and me. So companies around the world are looking to hire this specialized AI talent. You need to have that expertise. Companies are moving away from a lot of different roles, but they are hiring these people. Also, Amazon, Microsoft, or all the other big companies, they are only providing the building blocks. Organizations themselves or some startups are coming up which are helping these companies to connect these building blocks together. So understand how the AI world is taking into a different direction. Along with SageMaker, they have also built something like Bedrock. And Bedrock is nothing but Amazon's marketplace where companies can connect to different large language models that are out there in the market, and they can start building applications by themselves. Again, a huge step forward from Amazon's perspective, but to put it in context of the overall market, Microsoft has been doing this already for a few months, so it's just catch-up play. Along with what's happening with Amazon and Microsoft, there is a concerning trend around the layoffs that are happening. Well, the total number of layoffs have definitely reduced, which is a great news. But there are sporadic layoffs here and there continuously in the tech world. For example, a month back, Google has mentioned that, hey, there is a possibility for them to streamline costs. And when their CEO was asked in a town hall about, hey, is it related to layoffs? His answer was neither a yes nor a no. So indicating that there are some potential layoffs. Google is representing what is happening globally in the tech world, right? Everything was good until a few years. Now everything is getting changed. So the organizations like Google and many others have to transform for themselves. Number two, Cisco has laid off close to 5,000 plus people in August, September this year. Meta has also done some small layoff rounds in September. Amazon did the same. Amazon even shut out some of their business verticals which are not performing well in September and October this year. So you can see overall, there are some sporadic layoffs that are happening. Now, what would you do? What are the organizational preferences? Very clear, companies are making a trade-off between, hey, should I hire more people for the traditional roles or should I hire people more for AI roles? Because the equation is very simple, right? In a few years, every company wants to say that I am an AI first company. Whether they are in the space of agriculture, pharmaceuticals, technology, financial services, doesn't really matter. Everybody wants to have this claim and say that, hey, I'm an AI first company. For that, they have to hire experts in AI, experts in data, experts in cloud computing, cyber security, and all these things are the places where the talent is also demanding a lot of money, remuneration, salary. So companies are trying to cut down costs elsewhere and hiring a lot more people here. So it's up to you to understand, to get on this wave and get into the hiring patterns for Amazon and other companies, and to get into the hiring patterns of these companies and make a fortune for yourself as well. Now coming into the next section of the video, which is what are the types of projects and where are organizations moving right now. In this week, Accenture has announced that they are building new capabilities in the space of quantum-backed securities, cyber security, and of course Gen AI, right? So you can see how more and more new technologies are coming into the mix in services companies like Accenture. Wipro has announced a partnership with Netscope, once again a cyber security company which is providing better cyber security for people, processes, and companies as well. So the current projects, at least in the last few weeks, a lot of emphasis on cyber security. Along with this particular project, Wipro has also announced another project with Siam.ai, which is based in Thailand, for building AI-powered digital assistants. And all of this to ensure that the tourists that are coming into Thailand have better access to their visa, better access to their documents, and all of this through a very digitally convenient way. You can see the capabilities that are being built are around AI or cybersecurity or cloud. Similarly, the projects are also happening along the same direction. So now very clearly, I'm just giving it to you on a platter and you need to decide on exactly which direction to take. And my request, as always, pick something which is very adjacent to your current skill set so that it's not very big jump for you into the AI world or the cybersecurity world or the cloud world. Just pick something which is adjacent to you so that you can leverage your strength and also move forward in the right direction. Hope this is helpful, guys. Please do share it in your network, and I will see you again in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.